Officials carried out the testing after 30 birds that were found dead there on Sunday. About 200 people have begun culling all of the 42,000 chickens at the farm. They also plan to complete burying the birds and disinfect their barns by the end of Monday.
We'd like to finish the epidemic prevention steps as soon as possible. We'd also like to keep thoroughly implementing measures to contain the virus.
Authorities banned the movement of chickens and eggs within a 3-kilometer radius, as well as their shipping to areas outside a 10-kilometer radius. The same strain of the avian flu virus was found at another farm in Miyazaki Prefecture only